In our introduction tutorial, we worked from the Client Letters area. Here we will introduce you to the agency-wide letters functionality. First, we click the letters from the main menu, which takes us to a blank document screen. From here, we can begin writing a letter manually, open a template, or open a document. For the purposes of creating a batch letter, we will select Open Template and we'll cover how to create templates in later videos. The templates seen listed are either example templates that came from the program or templates that your office have created and saved. These templates contain merge fields designed to fill from the various system databases, so you can select one or many client records to merge into the template. As in most areas throughout Agency2Go, you can enter some search criteria and press Return to filter the templates. Select the one you wish to open, then click OK. Now this template is displayed in the document screen for you to review. Notice how the merge fields are contained in code. As you select your clients to merge, these fields will complete with your client data. To select clients, click the Merge Clients tab and mark the clients you wish to merge. Let's say that I wish to only see clients from a particular zip code. I can first filter to that zip code by typing it in and pressing Enter, and the clients listed will be filtered. Select the client you wish to merge and click Merge Client at the bottom of the Merge Clients list. If the merge template contains a policy field, a box will appear for you to select the appropriate policy. If a custom merge field is contained in the template, a box will appear with a tag name. Type in your desired entry in the Replace With field. Click OK or Next field and the next dialog will appear. Once the merge is complete, you will see on screen the letter for the first client selected. You can scroll through the clients by clicking Next Client or Previous Client and make any manual changes you wish, or print the letters individually by clicking File, then Print. If you plan to simply print these letters, you can click the Merge Client Docs and the view will show all of the letters separated by page breaks. Notice that the other options become inactive as you can only print from this view. Click the Split Client Docs and you will return to the prior view and then have the option to Save Document, which will file the letters at each of the client's letters screen. If you prefer to email these letters, click the Email Client Docs button and these letters will be emailed individually to each of the clients using the primary email on the client screen. To move on from this letter, you must click Close, and you can then select a client and see the individual letter in their letters area. Continue on to see how to create your own templates.